Ég heiti Sigurnóra Bjarnadóttir og ég er frá Borgarskóla. Ég myndi vilja fara helst að fara í frí til Bali. Ég get til að dreifa tíma eiginlega bara verið í símanum, sko. Ég væri til að kunna spila á píanó. Það besta við að taka þátt í tónlistinni er bara félagsskapurinn.
Lag númer 11, Lay Me Down, Sigrún Anna.
Yes, I do. I believe that one day I will be where I was, right there, right next to you. And it's hard, the day just seems so dark. The moon and the stars are nothing without you. Your touch, your skin, where do I begin? No words can explain the way I'm missing you. Tonight, this emptiness, this hole that I'm inside. These tears, they tell their own story. Told me not to cry when you were gone. But the feeling so overwhelming, it's much too strong. Can I lay by your side next to you? It makes you alright. I'll take care of you. I don't wanna be here if I can't be with you tonight. I'm reaching out to you. Can you hear my call? Oh, this hurt that I've been through. I'm missing you like crazy, yeah. Can I lay by your side next to you? It makes you alright. I'll take care of you. I don't wanna be here if I can't be with you tonight. Lay me down tonight. Lay me by your side.